Out there in the vast, silent darkness of space, there's a new eye watching the cosmos, an eye that can peer further than ever before into the wonders of the universe. This is the James Webb Space Telescope, and what it's captured so far is nothing short of breathtaking. Today, we're going to dive into some of the most incredible images and discoveries that Webb has made, and trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let's start with the Carina Nebula. This cosmic masterpiece is a stellar nursery, a place where new stars are born. And when Webb pointed its infrared eyes toward it, the results were nothing short of astonishing. Normally, these regions are too obscured by thick clouds of dust and gas to see clearly, but Webb's infrared capabilities can cut right through that cosmic fog. What Webb revealed was a dynamic scene of newborn stars, some even still forming, their light piercing through the gas in a way we've never been able to observe before. Next, let's zoom out and take a look at Stephan's Quintet, a group of 5 galaxies locked in a cosmic dance. These galaxies are interacting with each other in an intricate ballet of gravitational forces. In fact, 2 of these galaxies are actually merging, creating an incredibly rare and chaotic scene. Webb's sharp vision allowed us to see details we've never seen before, revealing the stunning interactions of stars, gas, and dust, all swirling together in a cosmic frenzy. And then, Webb made history with something called its first deep field. Now, a deep field image is when a telescope focuses on a very small patch of sky and sees as far into the universe as possible. And guess what? Webb just gave us a view of 13 billion years of cosmic history in one stunning shot. The image shows thousands of galaxies, some of which are so distant they're from the very early days of the universe, just after the Big Bang. We're literally looking back in time. One of Webb's most mesmerizing captures is of the Southern Ring Nebula, a stellar graveyard where a dying star sheds its outer layers in a brilliant display of light. Webb's detailed images show us the incredible structure of this nebula, the layers of gas and dust forming beautiful patterns, and a companion star that's hidden deep within the nebula's glow. This is a stellar depth like we've never seen it before. But Webb isn't just about capturing nebulae and galaxies, it's also giving us insight into distant worlds. Take WASP 39b, for example, a gas giant exoplanet located over 700 light-years away. Webb's data revealed water vapor, clouds, and even possible signs of chemical processes in the planet's atmosphere. This could bring us one step closer to understanding whether life could exist on planets outside our solar system. Every single image from Webb is like a window into the past, a glimpse of something truly extraordinary. From distant galaxies to the birth and death of stars, Webb is giving us a front-row seat to the most stunning cosmic events in the universe. And it's not just showing us beautiful pictures. Each image is a breakthrough in science, helping us answer questions we've been asking for centuries. Where do we come from? How did the universe begin? Are we alone? Looking up at the night sky, we may feel small, but thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, we are no longer strangers to the mysteries of the universe. In fact, we've never been closer to understanding it. As Webb continues its mission, we'll see more and more of the universe revealed, one stunning discovery at a time. If you're as blown away by these cosmic discoveries as I am, make sure to hit that like button,